Today we are going to be dividing whole numbers. Before we begin, let's review. It's very important that you know your division vocabulary. The first way that you might see a division problem written is with the bracket. Inside the bracket, you have your dividend. Outside, you have your divisor. And your answer is your quotient. You may also see a division problem written with the dividend, the division symbol, then you have the divisor, and that's going to equal your answer, which is your quotient. All right, now let's talk about the steps that you want to take when you are dividing large numbers. Step one. Step one, you want to estimate to help decide where to place the first digit in the quotient. Remember, when doing this, you want to try to use compatible numbers. And when using compatible numbers, we want to remember to think basic facts. Step two. You want to remember in dividing whole numbers, you're going to divide, you're going to multiply, you're going to subtract, and some people say bring down or just continue the process. Step three may be the most important step, but it's also the most overlooked step. Check your work by multiplying. Multiplication and division are inverse operations, meaning you can check the one by doing the opposite operation. Let's do an example together. 4,674 divided by 18. So we're going to check by using estimation with compatible numbers. 18 will go into 46 how many times? Some people want to put an X here because you're saying 18 times what will get me something close to 46. We're going to use 2. 18 times 2 is 36. The next step is to subtract. You're going to get 10. And then bring down your 7. Now I'm going to think 18 times what will get me 107. 18 times 5 is 90. I subtract, I'm left with 17. Bring down your 4. 18 times what will get me 174? 9. 18 times 9 is 162. Subtract, and you'll get 12. The answer, your quotient, is 259 with a remainder of 12. Now, the last step, we're going to check by multiplying. We're going to multiply 259 by 18, and we're going to see if we get 4,674. forget your placeholder when you're multiplying. Going to add. Plus the remainder. Don't forget this step. You want to add your remainder when you're checking your work, and we will get it checked out.